Hi guys, welcome to Denshine. We meet again. Today we will introduce this highly recommended dental hygiene kit. Let's open this package. It includes 4 parts. The first of all, anti-fog mirror, perfect to see inside the mouth. The handle is very convenient to hand, and the material is stainless steel. It's very bling bling bling. Secondly, the Tarter scraper removes hard tartar easily. Thirdly, the Sickle scaler cleans in hard to reach places. Finally, the dental probe removes food from teeth easily. This needle is very sharp, but be careful when you use it and operate. It's really high quality but cheap price, and is not only available for professional dentists but also personal use in oral and dental care. This package is also more portable and convenient. All in all, that will be a more highly recommended dental hygiene kit. Good luck to your dental future. Thank you for watching this video. Let's see you next time. Bye bye.